next question will be dealing with wait period, and we have to invest certain amounts of money, and we want to find out how long it will take to get to a certain number. This is our first question. It's dealing with he wants to be a millionaire. He wants to know how long he must wait if he invests A, 26,437 for 21%. You can assume that this one's annual compounding. And also at 47,750 at 16% today, 176,000 at 8% today, or 300,000 at 3% today. Basic question: how long will it take for him to be a millionaire? So we'll take Excel because that's always the easiest, especially dealing with payments. And we want to create a simple spreadsheet, and this one will have year one. So I just rewrote the question: how long to become a millionaire if you invest this, A, B, C, and D at these rates. So one long way is to start with year zero, because that's how much he has today. Go 1 year and take that current amount invested times the simple rate of return of 21%. And at the end of year one, he'll have 31,990. At the end of year two, same thing. Prior sell times 1.21, 38,708 at the end of year two. At the end of year three, just take what you had at the beginning of the year, 38,708, multiply it times 1.21, which is your rate of return for the year. It'll give you 46,836. And all I did is I took this copy function and I scrolled it all the way down until I get to a million, which is, as you can see, is a little over 19 years. So that's how the estimate wait. You can do that as just as a simple estimate. And the question, as you recall, actually tells you to round to the nearest whole number. So you always round to the nearest whole number. So it's either 19 years or 20 years. I'll tell you that in the question. So this one would be 19 years. Or the simple way, if you know formulas, is simply the P duration. And all you're going to do here is you put your rate times your present value, which is today's value, times what you want it to be in future value. And just with those three parameters, it'll give you 19.080587, which is 19 years. So that's two ways of doing it. So all I'm going to do is copy, Control C, and Control V, and oops, let's go back to that one. Control V, and oops, that's not going to work. That's okay, we'll figure it out. And then Control V again here, and Control V here. And so we just have a simple spreadsheet that we just duplicated. So year zero is not G12 in this case. It's going to be, I'm just going to put in 47, just link it. Okay. As you can tell, my P duration is not the same, so I have to change that. So it's going to be 16%. And this is going to be 47,750.85 in a million. Let's just do it for this as well. It's going to be a plus. Link it to that cell. Or we can P duration again, just change the parameters. It's going to be 8% to 0.8. And your starting present value is going to be 176,0112.48, and this will link again. Just use this plus, simple way. Change the P duration again from 21% to 3%, and we're starting with 300,000 to 39.91. All right, so the first answer was 19 years, second one would be 20 years, 23 years, and 41 years, and I hope that's right. Let's try it out. I think That's what I have, 20, 23, and 41. Looks good. That's the end of this tutorial. Always make your spreadsheets. Makes it easier for the exam. You will see this again on the final and on the quizzes.